Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 series just can't stop leaking. In a fresh new iPhone leak, iPhone 16 dummy unit compared with iPhone 15. Also, iPhone 16 Pro dummy unit compared with iPhone 15 Pro. The pictures confirm the initial leak and the rumored action button on the side. This will be a mechanical button with a capacitive surface that mimics the soft shutter buttons found on cameras. Few weeks ago, iPhone 16 series and new real-life hands-on video leaks showing off iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, and last week leak seems iPhone 16 Pro Max dummy compared to real iPhone 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 16 Plus will offer the same 6.7-inch and iPhone 16 with its 6.1-inch screen size as its predecessor. All four iPhone 16 series phones are also expected to offer slimmer display bezels. iPhone 16 and 16 Plus gained the action button which made its debut on the 15 Pro last year. The iPhone 16 series will adopt a new A-series A18 chip, which will be built on the 3nm node like the A17 Pro. With iOS 18 and some of the cutting-edge generative AI features could be limited to the iPhone 16 models. The MagSafe alignment magnets in the iPhone 16 models may be slimmer than before, cutting down on the size of the magnetic ring required for MagSafe compatible cases. iPhone 16 will be available in black, green, pink, blue, and white, with no purple or yellow options. The iPhone 16 is sport a 3,561 mAh iPhone 16 Plus with a 4,006 mAh battery. The iPhone 16 series still has a long way to go, as it is expected to launch somewhere around October 2024 as per Apple's regular timelines. I hope you guys like and enjoy it. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.